beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be unboxing 2 mystery bags from IPSY. So my bags are in this little lovely mailer. That's how they send them to you. So we have 2 bags that we're doing today. One is the Glamiversary mystery bag. Yeah, Glamiversary mystery bag according to my phone. And the other is extra credit mystery glam bag. So both of these bags were like $22 a piece. So we're going to get right into looking at these bags. But for anyone that's new to my channel, this channel does many unboxings of different subscriptions, beauty subscriptions, and shopping hauls. I do post weekly. Please stay tuned. I am glad that you stopped by to check out my channel. But for right now, we're getting into my mystery bags. So I'm going to just start out by showing you how the bags come out of the mailer. Hold on. So this is the extra credit mystery bag here. And then I also have the Glamiversary mystery glam bag, which is this one here. And we're going to just go ahead and get started. I got one product that's hanging out in here, and I'm sure it goes to one of these bags. So I'm going to just put this to the side till we figure out which one it goes to. So let's get started with this extra credit glam bag. So as you can see, we got a cute little tassel on here from IPSY, and we have a nice tan color here and yellow tassel with the yellow zipper here, and inside the bag is plaid, so that's pretty cute. And let's get started. Darlings. So guys, the first product that I have is going to be a nail polish. I haven't received the nail polish in a while, actually. This one is called Route 66, and this is by the brand Color. What is this? Color Club? Yeah, I think it's Color Club. So let's see what this color looks like. Oh, it's a blue. Based on the outside of the box, would you think this color would be in here? I wouldn't think this color is in here. This is more of like a spring color to me. I don't know. It's like a pale blue. I wouldn't wear this right now. This would be something I would hold on to like the spring or the summer. That's what that color kind of gives me. So yeah, Color Club nail lacquer. And it's called Route 66. I don't know how they picked the name. That's not what I was thinking when they said Route 66. But hey, that's just me. That's just me. And the next product that I have is a Rolling Like Honey. This looks like a lip oil. It is a roller gloss, and it's very tiny, but this is great to put in your pocketbook. It's pretty small, but it's great to put in your pocketbook if you're going somewhere. You like lip gloss like I do. That's generally what I wear if I'm not on camera. I'm a lip gloss, mascara, eyeliner kind of girl, and roll out. But this brand here is what is it called? Readable. Never heard of them before. Okay, so this will be the first time I'll try this one out. I've never used this brand, but I can always use a good lip gloss. The next thing that I have, let me get this out of the packaging for you guys. So we have a product from Real Her, and it's Dream So Big eyeshadow duo. So let's see what this looks like. I have had used Real Her products in the past, and I mostly used their lip stuff, like the lip liners and stuff. This is the first time I got an eyeshadow from them. So these are the colors that we have here. These are very fall colors. I'd say this is on point with the fall. You can definitely get a lot of great looks out of this. I'll do a quick swatch just to show you guys how these colors look. And oh, they come out really nice. I like this other one over here. This comes out a really nice color. So guys, this is a quick swatch of what the eyeshadow palette looks like. I think these are really nice colors for the fall. Definitely can work with these. They'll get a lot of use. And we'll go on to our next item. And I have another little package that I gotta pop open. Let's see. So guys, this one is LES, which is Lower East Side is the name of the brand. And this is another eyeshadow that we have. And we have a Punk Rock Palette. Okay, that's a name for us. Based on the box, I'm thinking this is going to be a dark color. Maybe if we can pull it out of the box. Okay, so guys, this is how it comes out of the box. And oh, you got a couple of little eyeshadows on here. Look at this. I was just thinking it was going to be one. I wasn't thinking it was going to be more than one. So you got 4 colors here. These are pretty nice colors. I say you can get away with this for the fall and use these in your regular routine. I'm going to do a quick little swatch just to show you what they look like. And we have 4. Let's see. On this hand. And the other 2. On this one. And oh, these are nice. These are really nice. So guys, this is what my swatches look like for this little mini eyeshadow palette. Actually, this one is like perfect to keep in your purse. You got like a couple of options of how you can do your makeup without taking a whole big palette with you somewhere. So a quick touch up, or you're going out after work, this you could like literally pop this in your purse and be gone. Really nice. Really nice. Never heard of this brand before. I love eyeshadow palettes, so I can't wait to use it. And then the last thing that I pulled out initially was a brush that I didn't know which one it went to. So this is the Farrah angled shadow brush here. And I like the Farrah brushes. They're very good with putting on your makeup and blend well. Everything blends out well with them. So I appreciate getting another brush. So that was the extra credit mystery glam bag that we just went through, and we're going to move right along to our next bag, which is the Glamiversary bag. So let's go pop that one on as well. So guys, the next bag we have is the Glamiversary mystery bag. So let's see what's in here. I like the little sparkles here. I feel like you could just use this when you're going out by itself. So sparkly and pretty. So let's see what we have in this bag. So this is our little pretty bag. Pretty bag, pretty bag. And the first product that I'm pulling out of the Glamiversary mystery bag is going to be made by Pacifica. And this is a cherry cheek lips. Oh, cherry cheek stain. So I'm assuming this is like a stain for your cheeks. Yes, I'm going to assume so. Cherry lip stain. And it just comes out in the tube, so you must kind of just rub it in. There's no instructions or anything here, so it just says apply with your finger on the apples of your cheeks, blending outward. So that is it. What color is this? Does it say? Otherwise I'll have to, okay, I'll just do a sample real quick just to show you guys. So this is the product, and I'm just going to blend it out like they said and see what it looks like. It's like a mauve kind of color, but yeah, this would be like nice for a little blush. Very mauve looking. So that is this product here, which is Cherry Baby is the color. So that's the name of the color, and it's made by Pacifica, and that's Cherry Cheeks is the product. So we're going to go to our next product. The next one I have is a Illamasqua. I'm thinking a lot of Illamasqua stuff in some of these. So this one is Beyond Liquid Highlighter. So I know a lot of people are kind of scared of these liquid highlighters. Don't be. They're very easy to use. Just a little practice. So does it say what color we have? We have, oh my God, that's the name of the color. Beyond Liquid is on the box. So let's see here, and it comes like this in a little tube, and let's see, you just put a little bit out, and I'm just going to take a little bit, and we're just going to kind of tap it out just to see what it looks like. Very nice. Look, it's blending out really nice without not much effort, and you get a nice little sheen here from a nice little highlighter. So as I said, don't be afraid of the liquid. The liquid is your friend. So that is the liquid highlighter by Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter. Oh my God, is the name. And the next product I have is a Murad product. I love Murad. I use them daily. So this is a sensitive skin smoothing serum. I have not used this one before. Intensely hydrating serum relieves dry skin and sensitive skin. Hyaluronic acid supports skin's ability to retain moisture, and chamomile extracts to help soothe the skin. So this will be great to use. I love serums, and I like that brand Murad, and I've used other products and had great success. So the next thing I have is a product by Artist Couture, and this is the Silky Lip Oil, and I'm just going to pop it out and show you what it looks like. And is there a name for this one, or it doesn't really say? Doesn't really say. Oh yes, it is. It's called Delicious Silky Lips. So this is how it comes out of the box, and this is just a lip oil. So that's dope. I like lip oil, so it's just like using a lip gloss to me. So can't wait to use that one. And then the last product, the last one, is Tarte, and this is Lights Camera Lashes, and it says it's a 4-in-1 mascara, but it does not say exactly why it's a 4-in-1 on here, so I can't tell you why. But I like mascara. Mascara is good. Let's see the packaging. Of course, you know the color is black without question. They never give you anything other than black, so this is the packaging, which looks a little interesting, by the way. And guys, this is my Glamiversary bag. So for in review, Glamiversary, we have the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. We have the lip oil by Artist Couture. We have the Pacifica Cheeky Cherry Lip Cheek Stain. And we have Murad Serum. And we have the Illamasqua highlighter. So I say the Glamiversary bag is my favorite. I like everything in this bag, and I can use everything in this bag. In comparison with our extra credit bag, I like the eyeshadows and the brush. That was like my favorites. But the other, you know, the only thing I didn't like really was just this. The color of the nail color. That's the thing I did not like. I did not like the color of the nail color that they included. I wished it was more fall looking kind of color, or a dark color or something for fall. I mean, it came in this box. You would think it would be a dark color. No one would think this would come out. But that would be my only gripe with the extra credit bag. So guys, this is both of the mystery bags. Let me know which one was your favorite or your least favorite. And let me know if there was any products in here that you guys have tried out before, or are you looking forward to trying out, or you know, which was in your bag. Let me know. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with me with all my latest postings. And again, I do post weekly, and I do have quite a few videos coming out with my recent subscriptions that I received. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on everything that I am posting. But guys, stay beautiful, and until next time, bye. See you later, beautifuls.